Woohoo, whānau, so excited for this lot today, getting their certificates, the day students from the Adult Literacy Centre. I'm sure there's a song in here to celebrate our mahi today, or our hakari, something anyway, but shout out, well done to you all and the Adult Literacy Centre for helping us out. Thank you. Kia ora whānau, kia ora tātou te whānau. I feel like part of the whānau. Kia ora tātou te whānau. Kua hui hui mai nei, ki tēnei whakāturanga Kiimai Māori me tēnei āhuatanga a pukamata, YouTube rānei, tēnei te mihi nui kia koutou katoa. Hey whānau, shout out here from little old Aotearoa, from the land of the long white cloud, Aotearoa, tēnei te mihi atu kia koutou. Hey, it's a shout out today. Shout out to the whānau, wherever you are. Once again, a shout out of gratitude and thanks. I might be saying Kiimai Māori, Aoitepö, yeah. Just be yourself, 24/7. Be yourself. Today, very grateful, much gratitude to our class, but sharing it with everyone wherever you are. We're all on the waka together. The Adult Literacy Centre, Aotearoa, presenting us today with our certificates for our little wāhanga, our little wānanga, our 10-week course we've been doing together, and even the kaiako got one, I got one too. It's been a long time since I had a certificate, so thank you very much to Sally and Whaia Mere, to those down at the Adult Literacy Centre for advocating and giving us an opportunity to share the reo with our whānau and friends. And so yeah, that's mainly what this video is about, is saying thanks. Thanks to everyone. We come to love to sing māku every week. And just on that note, we didn't even know that one of the young ladies, Marie Ratana, amongst us, I said, oh, do you fellas know this song? I think, the matua Dennis Marsh, I think he wrote it, but we know he sings it so well. But this young girl goes, no, my dad wrote it, and her dad, he's passed on now, but his name was Robbie Ratana. So some of you might know him out there. It's small world, eh? Anyway, going to sing another song now. It's still giving thanks. It's thanks today. I think one of my other cobbers from, I've got only a couple. His name is Kotaku Tibu. And we went to Hatapaora together. Yeah, we used to race each other to try and pinch the altar wine. But yeah, I'm faster than him. I think he wrote this song. I could be wrong, but I haven't seen him to ask him lately. But I made up my own translation, so let's just see how it goes, whānau, okay? Oh, I see my videos flashing telling me to hurry up. It's going to turn off. But kia ora, whānau, stop trying to get rid of me. I'm back. Hey, okay, I'm going to move along quick because I know you want to sing a song. But yeah, I'm not forgetting that I want to say thank you to those people today, for everyone, for their contribution again. A little bit like the Māku song. This song is saying thank you. In another way, it's saying today it was for the contribution of Kai, but still, it's still thank you. We could sing Māku, but I'm going to sing my mate's song here, and it's a big shout out to the RINGA WERA. Say, hey, you cooks out the back, and you cooks out home, and all those who went diving, all those who got the watercress, everyone from the front to the back and behind the scenes. E ngā ringa wera. Try that. E ngā ringa wera. Oh, hot hands. You're always washing the dishes. You're always making the hangi. You're always preparing the steam pudding and some stuffing. And it's about contribution all round. Even those who allowed you, looked after the kids so you can go down and get the watercress. E ngā ringa wera. For me, it's to all of you. Tēnō papai ngā kai. Oh, it's not just good, that kai. It's exceptionally good. Tēnō, that's the intensifier, the superlative. Tēnō papai ngā kai. It was just superb. The kai was beautiful. And to express that in a Māori way, it says, te kupu, a kui, a koroma. And what it says is, we're going to use a narrative of the old people and a whakatauki. Ka pai ki muri, ka pai ki mua, ka pai ngā mea katoa. All good out the back, all good out the front. The whole kaupapa is going good. So thanks everyone for the contribution all round. The Adult Literacy Centre, everyone contributing. The reo, hey, the koha, all the different things. Everything's going swell. On the pai at the marae, the ringa wera out the back, the whole process is running well. Ka pai ki muri, ka pai ki mua, ka pai ngā mea katoa. And while we're out there at the moment, and just thinking it's Māori Language Week, why have Māori Language Week when you can have Māori Language Life? But it's good, at least once a week, once a year, but it's just to acknowledge that. And some people are taking it into their workplaces, their homes, and just out and sharing it in te ao, and the ao sharing it with others. Hey man, that's awesome, let's just celebrate what we do have, and we can build on that. So ka pai. Then the second verse, I think the writer's just turning our mind now to cast our mind and think about other things. Huri hia, ngā whakaaro. So the prefix whaka to whakaaro, to turn one's mind. The whakaaro, to turn your thoughts. Ki te wā kainga. And I think it's making us think not only of where you are in that context, but we turned our mind's eye to our home fires, to te wā kainga. Those that have kept the fires burning over the years and say, man, they've been making hangis there forever. One of our maraes here, I've been going there for 30 years, and those same people are always doing their same mahi with utmost aroha. I don't even know how sometimes some of the whānau manage to keep a job down because their aroha to maintain the tikanga of the hangi and the hakari and all that expression of love. Man, it is too much. It's too cool. So huri hia ngā whakaaro, we turn our mind to them people, ki te wā kainga. And then I think the next verse line says, whera tonu te pātaka. Whera tonu te pātaka. And I don't know, I think what that's saying to me is like the expression pērā, pēnei, pēnā, pērā, whera tonu te pātaka. And I think it's saying just like the pātaka. Just like the pātaka of food. But in this case, my body is the pātaka. What it's saying is, my puku is full. My pātaka hiningaro, my storehouse of knowledge is full from this wānanga. My puku's full, my head's full. Ka pai ki muri, ka pai ki mua, ka pai ngā mea katoa. I think, I hope Kotaku doesn't tell me off, but anyway, that's it for today, Kazi. Let's sing it, and I don't know when Adi Jars came on around, but they're a beautiful group too. E ngā ringa wera, tino papai ngā kai no reira, te kupu a kui a koroma, ka pai ki muri, ka pai ki mua, ka pai ngā mea katoa. Huri hia ngā whakaro, ki te wā kainga no reira, whera tonu te pātaka. Ka pai ki muri, ka pai ki mua, ka pai ngā mea katoa. E ngā ringa wera, tino papai ngā kai no reira, te kupu a kui a koroma. Ka pai ki muri, ka pai ki mua, ka pai ngā mea katoa. Huri hia ngā whakaro, ki te wā kainga no reira, whera tonu te pātaka. pai ki muri, ka pai ki mua, ka pai ngā mea katoa. I ngā wā katoa, ka pai ki muri, ka pai ki mua, ka pai ngā mea katoa. I ngā wā katoa, ka pai ki muri, ka pai ki mua, ka pai ngā mea katoa. I think when we keep saying that, I ngā wā katoa, that just relates to all the times, time after time after time, that you guys are always there. So thank you everyone. Thank you for those advocating for celebrating our reo. Let's all just do what we can, whether it's Māori Language Week or Māori Language Month, whatever it is for you. Just enjoy, share the reo. Yeah, take care of each other. Ka nui te aroha. And yeah, big shout out. Thank you very much. Ti hei. Maori ora. Shot you guys, now get back to work. See you out there. Hey, shot whānau. Hey, our kuia, whaia makere, she's on the left there. I reckon she's going to kill me for this picture. But she's our kuia, our whakaruru hau. Look after our kaumātua and take care out there. Have fun with the reo. It's okay to have fun. I'm sure it is. Haumie huie, tae ki e.